Well, guys, it's then now time to test rig. It's quite popular. I don't know who initially designed this. Is this the true American company that designed, or they just copy rebranded Chinese? You can buy it everywhere, and I know nothing about the quality. So if you followed my episodes on this hydraulic steering system installation, you have seen a problem with bleeding this system because of the wrong instruction in this Korean user manual for this SeaFirst solution. Then one guy from the US has helped me, and I fixed it. It was another episode, and I created my own rig, and I still want to make the best possible rig for no oil around solution. So this kind of solutions, they offer that, okay, it goes on the pump, you can plug it here, and it goes to the bottle. But I don't know what kind of bottle. Is it always the same, this diameter? I don't know. So it doesn't work to me. I already see it. Moreover, I didn't want to use original bottles, especially if they are different diameters here, because some guys don't make holes in them. They say it's okay, but I didn't like this idea. Neither I like to make a hole and oil will be again around. So I wanted a kind of a bottle, and I found one. I don't know yet how it will work. This kind of, it was quite difficult to find. So the bottle that I can open and provide air, and this in the same time close and seal it. I don't believe it will seal the oil, but let's see. And so that I can place it like this, and oil goes from here. I will first test if the original cup can seal it well. Then I will need to use my own rig that comes with SeaFirst, and we'll check the leakage here. So, and I will need to use this air fittings, because these are quite difficult to find. I couldn't find them anywhere. So I did this rig from the air, from the compressed air parts. This goes to the pump, but you can see how much oil will remain here after we remove it in compare with that solution. So, but okay. And that part that goes on the cylinder side to make the system open, I don't know if it not leak. I'm already worried about it, because that's the item I bought from Amazon, and it has 1 star where one guy tells that it leaks. So we will test all these things first, and we'll start with this bottle. Well, I'm quite positively surprised that it doesn't leak here with neither. Okay, you have seen everything. Especially here I'm quite surprised. And this is the good way to add oil. No, it's not Kobashi, it's oil here in my case. So it works. Of course, I would prefer disconnection like this. To have here, I just disconnect and that's it, instead of this cup, but I have what I have. Probably later I will change it, but for now it's already good enough. Yeah, so I don't know where you can find this bottle. I bought it here in Finland, for quite cheap, something like €5, but I have seen on Amazon for something like €25, similar. Well, it's time to test this one. Yeah, it's easy. You install it here and there. I remove these dust cups, and now first I will open and let's see. Well guys, yes, this Chinese shit leaks, you can see. So that is how important to buy the right stuff. But how could I know? Because I don't have access to buy from the US if Amazon doesn't sell it. But yeah, Amazon also sell this Chinese junk, as well as eBay and AliExpress, so it's quite difficult to find the right one, and it wasn't cheap, as you have seen the price. So yeah, oil is there. I have to think what to do. About color of the oil, I'm not sure what should happen with the oil. So it was transparent, as you have seen. Not the best idea to have transparent oil. It's better to see the oil, but in that case we see that it changed color to the black one. I don't know where it comes from, yeah, and how it should be in the hydraulic system. I never dealt with hydraulic system. It was my first experiment, and now I mostly worry about how to provide connection, sealed connection here. Yeah. Well guys, let's do some summary. First of all, again, Chinese sold me some junk, some shit. Well, I'm so experienced not to buy this Chinese junk, but this time I rechecked €42. I actually didn't think that. Well, I had some concern that it might leak, and I need to test it as soon as possible. Unfortunately, I bought it in winter time and tested just now, so it will be quite a problem to return. I don't know if the US company who originally designed it, well, I mean that I'm sure that it was the US company who originally designed it, but I will buy from them, and then I think it works. I actually need only on the back, on the cylinder side, the rig, and here I will keep my own rig. And so this canister is fine, it's transparent, it's quite convenient to use, and it doesn't leak. And my own rig, because it's not Chinese junk, it is German worth, so it works, nothing leaks. Again, if they are on the pump side, again I use my own rig. Unfortunately, I have then more oil here, but okay, it can be tolerated, that's fine. Well guys, a lot of things regarding hydraulic steering in this board happened while I was storing these files, material on my phone. Yeah, it is another project also is going to be on my channel. So I finally found the name of the connectors on the I finally found what are these connectors, and you can see the video on my channel already. So we also unscrew this and checked everything. So in case if you want to make your own rig, I did my own rig, yeah. So I also have tried this procedure. You see what happened. So I also get money back from Amazon, fortunately, after half year for the Chinese junk. Guys, I will do a few more videos about this subject. If you are somehow related with hydraulic steering, like installation for other people, I think you should subscribe and watch them. Don't be shy. Yeah, I'm not a pro. I don't make it for other. I do it for myself. But when I met the problem, I dig very deep to resolve this, and I have 3 languages available for this. So, and yeah, and if you do this just for yourself, you should watch the things that I'm going to publish about a lot of problems that I met, and there will be a video about all possible bleeding techniques for hydraulic system with the autopilot, steering with the autopilot. So guys, that's all for now. Yeah, give me your likes, subscriptions, and see you next time. Bye.